or inip.
Inip.
Nainip po siguro sila or buwisit ay balog-balog water irrigation system teleserye or buwisit. Yun aking pong iniwanang mga tanong ay naukol po dun sa Balog-Balog Dam Project. Alam ko po na itong Balog-Balog Project, Mr. President, originally po ay ito po sana ay ginawa sa panig ng Ilocos Norte. Ang tawag nga po nila doon noon, Ilocos Norte Irrigation Project or INIP.
Inip.
Nainip po siguro sila. Kaya ang nangyari, dinala na lang po sa Tarlac. Mr. President, hindi ko na po babanggitin kung anong nangyari, bakit napunta nga sa Tarlac. Pero ngayon po, nagiging usap-usapan na naman dahil nga po sa bidding na naganap. Kaya from INIP, ang maaari po nating ikapit na pangalan ng project ngayon, Mr. President, ay Balog-Balog Water Irrigation System Teleserye or buwisit.
With the permission of Senator Marcoleta and Senator Pangilinan, the chair would like to associate himself with the issues and concerns raised or being raised by Senator Marcoleta and even by Senator Tulfo earlier. Na-pull out po namin sa records namin, sa files, Very familiar, balog-balog, And I would just like to share the information na yung balog-balog, ni-raise na rin natin ito noong, I think, 2019 or 2018, Ang ginastos na rito, or the information of the body, from 2015 to 2020, 7 billion, 5,701,000 pesos. Tapos ang nakakapagtaka rito, lahat phase 2. Ito 2015, Balog-Balog Multipurpose Project, phase 2, Tarlac, 5 billion. Tama ba ito? Tama. And then 2016, this is 3 million. 2017, 812,944,000. 2019, lahat ito balog-balog. Senator Marcoleta and Senator Pangilinan. 2019, 400 million. 2020, 789.7 million. Ang total, may pahabol pa, 2021. Balog-Balog Multipurpose Project Phase 2 Tarlac, 500 million. So wala nga pong katapusan at saka hindi na umalis sa Phase 2. Now, again, gusto ko lang sundan yung tanong ni Senator Marcoleta. Anong status na nito? After spending so much in the past. Thank you, Senator Marcoleta.
Tama po kayo, Mr. President.
Okay.
Ang totoo niyan, yung balog-balog nga po ay palaging nagre-request ang NIA sa maintenance lang po and repair. NIA is regularly requesting for 261 million yearly. Hanggang ngayon pong nakaraang taon ay ganun din po. Kaya ako po ay naniniwala na ang mga binanggit po ninyong datos ay tama. Kaya nga po, siguro po out of exasperation, Mr. President, kaya nga po ang naging acronym nga ay BWISIT, na kung babanggitin po ay buwisit, Balog-Balog Water Irrigation System Teleserye. Ganito po ang nangyari, Mr. President. Yung pong nanalong bidder po, ang Santa Clara International Corporation, ang kanila pong, ang kino-question po rito yung tinatawag na SLCC, na kung ito po yung single largest contract completed, ang kanila pong ibinigay na project, Mr. President, ay ito pong Manolo Portage Hydroelectric Power Plant na located sa Manolo Portage, Bukidnon, sa probinsya po ng ating majority leader. Ngunit kanila pong tinututulan ito dahil po sa nakalagay nga naman po sa section 23.4.2.4 ng 2016 revised IRR ng ating 9184, kailangan po yung contractor ay ma-consider pong similar po yung SLCC. Na ang ibig sabihin po ay it has the same categories of work. Ngayon po, yung operative word dito, Mr. President, yung construction works, yung earthworks or embankment, yun po kasi yung pinakalundo ng project na yan. So, as related to the dam, Mr. President, kailangan construction of dam or embankment. Ang nangyari po kasi, itong project na kanilang isinabmit for SLCC ay installation of electromechanical equipment, specifically the turbine units. So sa palagay po nung mga taong tumututol dito ay medyo malayo po doon sa panuntunan nung RA 9184. So Mr. President, minumungkahi ng representasyong ito na sana'y magsagawa muna tayo ng kaukulang pagsisiyasat dahil nga po sa sulat na ibinigay sa akin ng Mayor's League po ng Tarlac na kung gusto niya, ang gusto po nila, kahilingan po nila na mag-conduct po muna ng review para sa ganun ang kanila pong mga sentimiento ay muling marinig, ma-evaluate po nating mabuti. Dahil sa kanila pong palagay, kagaya nga po ng napakarami ng ginastos ng project na ito, magmula pa ng mga sinauna, na nabanggit po ninyo, Mr. President, parang nauna po kasi yung mga irrigation canals, wala naman pong tubig. O yun po yung mini-maintain po, yung irrigation canals, yun po yung nire-repair. Eh kahit na po nire-repair natin, kung wala naman pong tubig, ang pinaka-importante po rito, yung tubig na dadaloy doon sa mga irrigation canals.
Yes, again, Senator Marcoleta, the chair agrees, ano? Kasi etong history, 1992 pa itong phase 1. Nabanggit yung INIP, nabanggit yung buwisit. 1992, NIA proposed implementing the BBMP, ito yung balog-balog, in 2 phases. Phase 1 covering 12,475 hectares, consisted mainly of constructing a diversion dam across the Bulsa River. Lahat ng words tumatama, Mr. Senator Marcoleta, Senator Pangilinan. So I think NIA has a lot of explaining to do. No? Dito pa lang tayo sa balog-balog, katakot-takot na yung pwedeng anomalya, no? And yung balog-balog consists of 37% of all the irrigation systems nationwide. Bakit tayo nakapokus sa balog-balog? And spending, at saka ang daming COA findings. Nakaplug na ng COA ito 2018, yung annual audit report. COA noted that 5 BBMP contracts accounted for 7.77 billion or 37% of the 20.7 billion worth of delayed projects nationwide. One of the highest aggregated contract costs among delayed NIA projects. So I agree with you, Senator Marcoleta. I think hindi lang sa budget deliberation natin dapat pag-usapan ito. I think we should really focus on the delayed projects and the possible wastage or obvious wastage of public funds, particularly sa balog-balog multipurpose projects. Thank you.
If I may be allowed, with the permission of the Senator Marcoleta.
Yes, Senator Pangilinan.
Yes, I am also concerned, and I share the concern of both gentlemen because of the delay. Because it was under my watch as chairman of the board of the NIA that the Balog-Balog project was approved in 2014 during the time of President Aquino. And the budget then, approved budget by the NEDA was 15 billion. Now it's 20 billion. So talagang makikita natin, hindi lang nag-delay, nag-balloon pa yung cost, no? And well, this is not to justify the delay, but these projects are really notoriously known high dam projects. The Halaur River project, for example, is still ongoing, but it was first approved in 1961 during the presidency of Carlos P. Garcia. So this is not to justify it, no, but I agree. This inordinate delay and the ballooning of the cost is, and I share the concern, is a cause of serious concern, Mr. President, for the record.
So, Mr. President, thank you for the additional information provided. This justifies our concern as related to me by the president of the Mayor's League in Tarlac. And I think I am justified, Mr. President. I will now wind up, but with the motion that NIA should first undertake a review to look a second look and harder look on the Balog-Balog project in order for us to determine all the concerns now being conveyed to this representation by the residents of Tarlac, Mr. President. So I move that a review be undertaken first, and the project should first be looked from the point of view of the competence of the winning bidder, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President.
And we will likewise monitor this review, Mr. President, so that we can determine the way forward, Mr. President.